Linear high knee march walk. So, what is linear high knee march walk? The linear high knee march walk is a locomotor movement where you march forward in a straight line while lifting your knee high. With each step, it focuses on balance, coordination, posture, and leg strength, and the arms swing naturally opposite to the legs to maintain rhythm.
Key points. Move forward in a straight line, linear. Lift your knees up to hip level or as high as comfortable.
Other key points. Keep your back straight and your core tight. Swing your arms naturally to match the marching rhythm. Maintain steady pace and control.
Purpose and benefits: improve coordination and body control, strengthen legs muscles, help develop proper walking and running form, enhance balance and posture.